So we are now down to our last performer partner. Before that, pasalamatan, bulan natin ulit ang ating mga
sponsors. Dahil kung wala mga
our Fiesta Ball competition. We have
Balintayao Performing Artists Collective from General Santos City.
Kamu gani, kamu nito. Ano? Ano?